Hello everyone, this is Sairaj. Today the topic which I am going to cover is type of trademarks. Before we discuss about types of trademark, let us understand what is trademark. A trademark is a word, phrase, symbol or a design or a combination of these that identifies and distinguishes the sources of goods of one party from those of another. Types of trademark. Trademark may be divided into the following categories. The first one is product mark. A product mark is a mark that is used on a good or on a product rather than on a service. This type of trademark is used to recognize the origin of the product and helps in maintaining the reputation of the business. For example, the product mark of Bata and Amul. The next is service mark. It distinguishes the service of one proprietor or owner from that of another. Companies providing services like hotel services, courier and transport, beauty and healthcare, advertising, publishing, etc., are now in a position to protect their name and marks being misused by others. Example for service mark is Facebook and Google. Shape mark. When the shape of a goods packaging has some distinctive feature, it can be registered. 3D shape or a design is also protected under trademark law. Example, Coca-Cola bottle or Fanta bottle which have a distinctive shape identifiable by the brand. Unconventional mark. Unconventional trademark are those trademarks which get recognition for their inherently distinctive feature. Unconventional trademark include the following categories. Color trademark. If a particular color has become a distinctive feature indicating the goods of a particular trade, it can be registered as a trademark. For example, red wine. Sound mark. Sign which are perceived by hearing and which is distinguishable by their distinctive and exclusive sound can be registered as sound mark. For example, musical notes. Shape mark. When the shape of a goods packaging have some distinctive feature, it can be registered. Example, ornamental lamps. Smell mark. When the smell is distinctive and cannot be mistaken for an associated product, it can be registered as smell mark. For example, perfumes. Collective mark. Collective mark is used to inform the public about a certain distinguished feature of a product or a service used to represent a collective. A group of individuals can use this mark so that they can collectively protect a goods or services. The mark holder can be associated or association or can be a public institutions or can also be a section 8 company. Example, Reliance and Tata. Certification mark. It is a sign indicating that the goods or services are certified by the owner of the sign in terms of their origin, material, quality, accuracy, or other characteristics. It specifies the safety and the quality of the product. For example, ISI mark and ISO mark, ISO certificate mark. Functions of the trademark. A trade a trademark serves for the purpose of identifying the source or the origin of the goods. Trademark performs the following four functions. It indicates the goods or services and its origin. It guarantees its unchanged quality. It advertises the goods and services. It creates an image for the goods and services. Thank you.